I bought and tested these 5 convertible mountain bikes so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how challenging it can be to find the right bike that fits your needs, and that's why I'm here to share my honest experiences with you. Let's dive right into it.
Product number 1, CL-Tac 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack. When I first got my hands on the CL-Tac 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack, I was immediately struck by its versatility. As an avid cyclist, I often find myself struggling with how to carry my hydration and essentials without burdening my ride. This chest pack, which doubles as a hydration backpack, instantly caught my interest. The modular design lets me detach the chest pack from the hydration section, making it incredibly convenient. On a recent mountain biking trip, I combined both components for a long ride. The adjustable straps allowed me to secure the pack tightly, ensuring it didn't bounce around on rough terrain. The comfort factor is another game changer. The wide mesh shoulder pads felt great against my skin, even during a sweaty climb. Plus, the lightweight 500D nylon material didn't weigh me down at all. I appreciated how easy it was to sip from the ergonomic drinking tube while navigating tricky trails. It allowed me to stay hydrated without skipping a beat. Now, let's talk about storage. The pack features multiple pockets that kept my phone, keys, and energy bars organized and easily accessible. I was able to reach for my snacks mid-ride without fumbling around. However, the only downside I noticed was that the chest pack might feel slightly bulky for shorter rides or casual outings, but for long distances, it shines. So why should you buy the CL-Tac 2-in-1? If you're serious about endurance sports like mountain biking or hiking, this hydration solution is built for you. It's designed to provide stability and comfort, ensuring you can focus on your performance rather than your gear. The 100% satisfaction guarantee is the cherry on top. If you don't love it, you can get a replacement hassle-free. Overall, I'd highly recommend this pack to anyone looking for a reliable hydration system that adapts to their adventurous lifestyle. Product number 2, GX-CROR Bike Handlebar Bag. The GX-CROR Bike Handlebar Bag caught my eye for its sleek design and practicality. At first glance, I was impressed with how compact yet spacious it is, boasting a generous 2.4-liter storage capacity. I decided to test it out during a weekend bike trip. Once mounted on my handlebars, I found that it was incredibly easy to install with the hook and loop straps. This bag didn't budge an inch, even on bumpy terrains, thanks to its 3-point stabilization system. One of my favorite features is its waterproof design. I remember riding through unexpected rain, and I was genuinely relieved that my phone and snacks remained dry inside. The 900D PU-coated Oxford fabric is not only durable, but also easy to clean, which is a huge plus after muddy rides. The top-mounted zipper allowed for quick access to my essentials without having to stop, which kept my ride smooth and uninterrupted. However, there's always a trade-off. While the bag is fantastic, I did find that the internal space could have been better organized. All my small items tended to jostle around a bit, which was slightly annoying. But the front elastic strap is a great addition for quick grab items like gloves. So why buy the GX-CROR Bike Handlebar Bag? If you're looking for a versatile bag that adapts to your cycling lifestyle and can also transform into a crossbody or handheld bag, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for both cycling and other activities like camping or picnicking, making it a multi-use asset for any adventurer. Plus, at an affordable price, it's hard to beat the value. Product number 3, CL-TAC 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack, Green. Another version of the CL-TAC 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack caught my attention in green. I decided to give it a spin on a recent trail run. The color is vibrant, yet subtle enough not to draw too much attention, which I appreciated. The hydration system worked just as well as the first one I tested, allowing me to seamlessly transition from running to biking without needing a different bag. The comfort level of this pack is outstanding, as the adjustable chest straps ensured that it stayed snug against my body. I didn't have any issues with bouncing, even during steep climbs. The mesh padding on the shoulder straps felt breathable, which is crucial during those hot days. At times, I even forgot I was wearing it, which speaks volumes about its comfort. In terms of storage, this version maintained the same smart layout as the first. I could easily organize my essentials and had quick access to everything I needed while on the go. However, I did notice that the main compartment could feel a bit cramped if I packed it to the brim, which might be a consideration for long-distance cyclists. So why should you consider the green version of this hydration pack? If you're someone who enjoys versatility and comfort, this pack is a fantastic choice. It's built for endurance sports like cycling and running and is designed to keep you hydrated and organized. Plus, the satisfaction guarantee means you can buy with confidence. Overall, I'd strongly recommend this as a top pick for anyone serious about their outdoor adventures.
Product number 4, Rock Bros Mini Bike Pump. When I added the Rock Bros Mini Bike Pump to my gear, I didn't expect it to be such a powerhouse. This mini pump is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it an ideal companion for any ride. I tested it during a spontaneous ride when I had a flat tire. The dual mode functionality, allowing both manual pumping and CO2 inflation, was a lifesaver. I pumped up my tire using the hand pump first, then switched to the CO2 inflator for a quick top-up. Easy as pie. The compatibility with both Presta and Schrader valves is another major plus. I didn't have to worry about carrying extra adapters, which is often a pain. The pump itself is constructed from quality aluminum, giving it a sturdy feel while remaining lightweight. I always appreciate products that don't skimp on quality. One thing to note is that the insulated sleeve does a great job preventing frozen fingers during colder rides. The non-slip threads on the handle provided excellent grip, allowing me to pump efficiently without straining. However, the only downside I found was that the pump doesn't come with CO2 cartridges, so you need to buy those separately. Why buy the Rock Bros Mini Bike Pump? If you need a portable, reliable pump that won't take up much space, this is the perfect choice. It's made for cyclists who want a dependable solution for flat tires, whether on road or mountain bikes. Overall, I'd highly recommend it for any cyclist looking for a compact yet powerful pumping solution.
Product number 5, CLTAC 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack, Brown. The brown version of the CLTAC 2-in-1 Convertible Chest Pack and Hydration Backpack was another exciting addition to my gear lineup. I decided to take this one on a longer mountain biking expedition. Right off the bat, I loved the earthy tone. It blends well with nature and feels stylish. The modular design remains a standout feature, allowing me to detach the chest pack when I wanted to lighten my load. What impressed me further was how comfortable it felt during the ride. The adjustable straps ensured that it stayed secure, and the mesh shoulder pads provided comfort without irritation. I took this pack on a grueling uphill route, and the weight distribution felt balanced, making it easier to navigate challenging sections. The storage capabilities were on point as well. I had enough room for my essentials, and the organization kept everything accessible while I was pedaling hard. The waterproof feature was put to the test when I encountered some rain, and I was relieved to find that my gear remained dry. However, just like the other versions, I found that if overstuffed, it could feel bulky. Why should you choose the brown version? If you're looking for a stylish yet functional hydration pack that adapts to your outdoor adventures, this is it. The comfort, versatility, and satisfaction guarantee make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about biking or hiking. I wholeheartedly recommend it for its ability to keep you hydrated and organized while you tackle any trail.
After diving deep into these top 5 convertible mountain bikes and accessories, it's clear they each have unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for hydration solutions, storage, or reliable pumps, there's something here for everyone. My personal favorites have been the CLTAC hydration packs for their versatility and comfort. Make your choice wisely, and happy cycling!